Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now there's a brand new Bitcoin pattern playing out on the charts, but we are currently running into an important Fibonacci level that we need to be paying attention to. And later in the video, I'll go over some other bullish patterns that are forming on the Bitcoin chart right now. And on top of that, towards the end of this video, I'll be talking about the massive $1 million giveaway happening right now. So definitely make sure you're sticking around all the way to the end so that you're not missing out on any of this important information. And just before we jump into it, make sure to drop a like on the video down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on so that you're not missing out on any of these future updates. But with all of that out of the way, let's get straight to what this video is about. So right here, we're on the Bitcoin US dollar chart on the 2-hour chart to start off with. And as you can see here, this is the inverse head and shoulders pattern that I talked about yesterday on the channel. I basically said for this pattern to complete, we need to see the right shoulder form and a break above this neckline coming in at around 65.3K approximately. And we've seen exactly that. So this pattern has now finished forming, and we have already seen the breakout to the upside with one successful retest of this neckline. All we're waiting on now is a little bit more follow through here for Bitcoin. But technically speaking, the price target for this pattern is now in play, and that is coming in at around $68,500 US per Bitcoin, which from the current price of Bitcoin to that price target is around a 4% gain. But more importantly, that would put us pretty close to the all-time high. So for as long as Bitcoin can hold this level just here, the neckline for this pattern coming in at around 65.3K approximately, then we're still looking really good here for Bitcoin, and we're potentially about to make our way up towards $68,500 US. But just zooming out to the 4-hour Bitcoin chart, and one thing that could potentially get in the way of Bitcoin heading up towards that higher price target is the golden pocket. Just bringing out the Fibonacci retracement tool from the all-time high down to the recent low here at around 62.2K. What we have so far, at least, is a perfect touch point along the exact golden pocket, which is right now coming in at around 66.4K. So with this one candle wick to the upside, we have confirmed that level as resistance in the immediate short term. So that's an important level that I'm paying attention to for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Once we can start breaking above $66,500 US with confirmation, then in that case, it will be very likely that we'll come up and meet the price target out of that inverse head and shoulders pattern. Because keep in mind, the golden pocket is a very important level. For example, bringing out the Fibonacci retracement tool from this low back here at around $58,000 US per Bitcoin up to the all-time high, what we have here is a perfect retest of the exact golden pocket and a massive bounce from that level back to the upside. So when you're looking at the current golden pocket acting as resistance, once again, this is seriously an important level to get above at around 66,500. But apart from that, one thing to take away from the recent bounce is the fact that Bitcoin has bounced from important support. First of all, this green box just here is a horizontal range of support coming in at approximately $63,500 US. And previously that was huge resistance for the Bitcoin price, and now that is acting as support. And as well, we've got the 130 exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart coming in at around 63,000. And so far, that has also been providing huge support for the Bitcoin price. And on top of that, looking at the price oscillators on the 4-hour time frame, the RSI, for example, met the same sort of support levels that we hit all of these other times that we reached a bottom in the market. And looking in the MACD, we've also just seen a bullish cross over the past day or so. So in the immediate short term, the Bitcoin price is actually looking really good here, as in it's leading a little bit more bullish. The only thing that could stop Bitcoin going to the upside is once again just that golden pocket level of resistance. And talking about bullish patterns, here we have another bullish pattern on the 6-hour charts for Bitcoin, and that is obviously this cup and handle pattern that I have been talking about for quite a while now on the channel. In fact, I've been talking about this pattern for just about a week on the channel. We were one of the first ones on YouTube to acknowledge this cup and handle pattern, but we have still not confirmed this pattern. I want to make that clear. What Bitcoin needs to do to confirm this pattern is simply come back up towards this neckline, which is coming in at around the all-time high at around $69,000 US per Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin can do that, that would complete this pattern, and then we'll simply need to see a breakout above the all-time high, confirming the price target, which is coming in at around $78,000 to $79,000 US per Bitcoin, which, by the way, from the point of the breakout to that price target is around a 14% gain, but from the current Bitcoin price to that price target is nearly a 20% gain, which is a huge opportunity for any of you Bitcoin holders out there. And I'm telling you now, if Bitcoin does come back up and break above the all-time high again, completing this pattern, then personally, I will be taking that trade to the upside. But obviously, that is not financial advice. That's just giving you an inside look of my trading strategy for Bitcoin. And speaking about trading, right now, Bybit is hosting a $1 million giveaway. And first of all, if you want to check out this page with all of the information about this giveaway, then you'll find that in the first link down below in the description and also the first link in the pinned comment. And unlike other giveaways where you need to do a whole lot of different things to enter the giveaway, for this, all you need to do is literally just have a Bybit account with $10 sitting in there and make a single spot trade between the 19th of November and the 3rd of December, which, by the way, for the beginners out there, a spot trade is basically just buying Bitcoin or selling Bitcoin. And after you do that, you're guaranteed to win an equal share of 75% of the prize pool. And you might be wondering, what about the other 25% of the prize pool? Where does that go? Well, that's for any of you that might have more experience in these markets, because the remaining 25% of the prize pool goes towards people trading USDT perpetual contracts, which is not really something for the complete beginners out there. But for anyone with more experience in the markets, or for anyone that trades anyway, that's where the remaining of that 25% prize pool goes. And on top of that, they're throwing in Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs worth over $200,000. But anyway, if you want to take a look at this for yourself, I have a link down below in the description. In fact, it will be the first link in the description down below. But anyway, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed or got something valuable out of this video, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. We're getting much closer to 90,000 subscribers right now, and once again, I really do appreciate it. And for the new viewers on the channel, before you click off, make sure you check out one of these uploads if you haven't already. I've got a Bybit tutorial video showing you how I trade over on Bybit, and I've got a passive income video showing you how I earn passive income every day on my crypto holdings. But anyway, that is really everything I have to say for this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.